Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Gwen here with your self care tip of the week. So, this week, your tip is to write in a journal. Writing in a journal is a great way to enhance happiness, it reduces stress. It also is a great way just to get your thoughts and feelings out. It's important to do that. So, if you haven't done it in a while, maybe today or sometime this week, you take an opportunity to write maybe just a few words of gratitude at the end of the night. That's what I typically do at night after I shower. It's my time to actually just reflect and to give thanks for things big and small that happen throughout the day. So, gratitude journal or reflective journal, whatever kind of journal, mood journal, some kind of journal this week that is your self care tip of the week. If you like these short little videos, remember to hit like and also subscribe so that you can see subsequent videos. Take care, guys. Remember, self-care matters.